Mic test. Ooh, nice. Little hot mic there. What's going on, y'all? We're going to be starting here shortly. Oh, damn. What's going on, y'all? Happy Wednesday. It's good old hump day. Let me turn off some of this music in the background. I don't even think y'all can hear that. Can y'all hear that music that I'm playing in the background? I don't think it comes through. It's not like OBS Trading Views thing. It's a little bit elementary, we'll call it. Anyway, what's going on, y'all? Hope y'all's week's been great so far. Good to see you, Hellbound. It's been a while. Hope you had awesome holidays and New Year, all that good fun stuff. It's Wednesday, what is today? The 10th, 2024, not 23. I know we all keep writing 3 on our paper whenever we actually write something down. You type. I can't even say right. It's like, what is writing anymore? Who does that? Anyway, a little bit of shenanigans yesterday. Pretty funny. Our account was hacked or whatever the shit happened there. Very ridiculous. You got the SEC not even using two-factor authentication and saying it was compromised or what? Dude, how shady, man. This is the SEC, dude. They're supposed to be protecting us. They can't even freaking protect their Twitter account or X account. Like, what the hell, man? What a joke. Also, Gensler, it's pretty funny that he helped advise, what's his name? That curly haired dude. What the hell's his name? Sam, SBF. There you go. Pretty funny, man. Just can't even make this shit up. This is the best, funniest, craziest, wildest, shittiest movie all in one. But yeah, so nice little meme there. Someone did, if y'all remember where that's from the Twins. I miss those guys, man. That was fun stuff. But crazy ass shit yesterday. I mean, this is. It's not even that surprising. I feel like this has happened numerous times. Just like, oh, that was compromised. Just kidding. That's that wasn't really us though. Okay. Oh man, well, how ridiculous, man. I guess today they're gonna say something. I don't know. Whatever. Y'all know I just like to look at the charts anyway. That's what we like to do here. We're chart readers. We don't need no news, man. Like Bernard Baruch said, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. I guess one thing we could talk about for a second is, will this be a sell the news event? Right? Now, yesterday, for just a quick second, it seemed to be that way, but it was all shenanigans. See? It's like, oh, look, we did it. Oh, no, just kidding. Good one. So, but overall, doesn't really matter because we're still ping pong in between 44 and 48,000. That's the mega contention zone. We've been eyeballing that for a long time. The mid 40s is a huge resistance area on the chart. So, I mean, whatever. I don't even care how or why or what news you want to attribute to it getting over 48,000. A few daily open and closes above 48K probably gets us to the next leg of mid 50s, and then we'll have to reassess there. And then conversely, below 44, we got a little support at like 42,000, and then macro mega supported about 38. We start getting comfy below 38, and we got some other things to talk about, but that is far away from right now, so we don't have to worry about that as of yet. I guess we're just going to be chilling here, waiting to see the official announcement, the unofficial, official, possibly maybe official this time announcement. I don't know, man. What a joke. What a freaking joke. And this is our government, by the way. Yeah. Oh, we got some follows. Shout out to JR. Thanks for the follow yesterday. Buck Tanner. Oh, I think we already said that one. Thank you. And Darlene, what is that? Dalarin Azila. Man, that's a tough one. Say that 3 times fast. Appreciate the follows, guys. Monday, Wednesday, Friday streams weekly. So there you go, getting it in. So what do we want to add to Bitcoin? Because it's actually really easy right now. Broke out, open and close above the range on this little kind of ascending triangle. We're above the magenta candle, above 44K. So, I mean, I can't even hate on anything yet until we're, below at least probably 42,000. Let's see. And we got oscillators look okay. The one thing I would like to see is the RSI to kind of reset. You can see that it actually has bearish divergence going all the way back to late October when this rally started. So each one of these little peaks actually has a lower RSI high. So that would be like maybe the one little, I don't know what the hell. I'm trying to think of an analogy here. One little axe to grind with them, with the price. But other than that, it is, to be fair, it is trying to reattempt and regain the strength here from this peak to this peak. So, and again, that's just one metric too. So whatever. Horizontals and PA trump all of that. Structure trumps everything. Y'all already know what it is. So above 44K, let's not overthink it, because there is a thing called paralysis by analysis. You can just overanalyze shit and then do dumb crap. I'm sure we've all been there. I know I have at least 100 times or something. Who knows? Same thing on futures. So we got nice agreements there with spot. Yep, nothing too crazy on that. Let's go to GBDC. GBDC kind of pumping a little bit hard on Monday. Look at that. Looks very bullish above $37. Just keeps grinding this 21 EMA. What do y'all think? Do you think it's going to be a sell the news event? Some people were thinking, oh, it's going to bring in billions of dollars and this and that and blah, blah, blah. But it's like, I don't know. I'm not sold on that idea. A lot of this run up might even be backed off of the ETF getting approved. And to be quite frank, I am pretty sick of hearing about an ETF. Who cares? Like, are any of y'all even going to buy it? Most people that have been in crypto for a long time, they don't care about the banking stuff. They want to trade in DeFi and crypto and outside of the banking system. So, and institutional money's been in crypto for, at least 7 years, 6-7 years. So it's not like, and futures have been out since what, 17? That doesn't get much more institutional than the futures. Futures dwarf ETF volume. You're talking the ES, the mini contract, the ES contract of the S&P 500 for the futures on the CME, that trades daily volume, trades more, like a notional amount. It trades more every single day than all ETFs combined. And there's like 6,000 ETFs or something like that. So just chew on that for a second. I don't know why people are so hyped up about ETF crap. Whatever, who cares? Let's see. ETH. Let's go to ETH. ETH's moves today is a little surprising to me. Look at this. It's actually breaking over 2,400. This is very sexy for the bulls on ETH. Let's jump out to the weekly real quick. Yeah, damn, this looks good. We get open and closes above here. 2,700 is the next stop, with way above that at about, hold up. Holy shit, 33 hundos. Oh, man, that's getting a little exciting now. We're up at over 3,000 on Ethereum. It's freaking party time for crypto boys. And also the fees, gas fees will probably be lovely at that point. Are we gonna finally, like, this cycle realize that ETH kind of sucks for doing all the transacting and fees and NFTs and shit? Maybe this time. I don't know. It's just so crazy. You use like Tron and Solana and even just BSV. I know that's not, competing directly with ETH, but their fees are just insanely low. I mean, just the other day I sent some money around and it was like $14 on the ETH network, and I'm like, what, dude? $14? Like, get this shit out of here. Anyway, I digress. Very beautiful chart, though. And again, like I said, a little surprising on this move here. We get this open and close above this range today in about 7 hours and change. So that's good to see as far as for continuation and just agreements in general on the market. So I do like that. Let's see what the futures say. Yeah, we still got mega resistance. I guess there is a little. Okay, hold on. So there is a little spot in between this 700 and the 2400 via the futures. We do have this very defined trend line cross right here at about 25 and a half. So maybe a little bit of stalling there. But yeah, it's still looking very good. Nice move for a unicorn shirt, man. Not too bad, buddy. All right, let's go to I can't derber. Litecoin. Charlie. Oh, nice candle closes on Monday. So we were talking about if we can see some of these engulfing candles on Monday's stream, that this would actually bode very well for some of these being called local bottoms, which you could definitely call, especially getting that confirmation of some seller shutoff right here on major support at $64. So that's pretty solid, man. I would not be afraid now to nibble on this as long as it stays above about 64 bones. Oh, give me one sec. Oh, great. Nice. We're getting lovely internet issues. As per usual, just dropping them frames, baby. So annoying. Anyway, not even going to just pretend like it's up there. Whatever. Just talking to the ether. Anyway, etc. I mean, none of these are really going to be that interesting, except that just getting that follow through Monday. Yeah, and you can see here, look, Monday engulfing, and we're getting continuation. So that's pretty nice to see that follow through coming through. Follow through coming through. That's a lot of throughs. 58 cents is definitely major resistance on XRP. Garlic bread is definitely confirming that as of now, but it is in like a very interesting spot here, right above all this consolidation, getting squeezed between that 54 and 58. So kind of above or below that is continuation to that side, most likely. And obviously, I'm going to be leaning a little bit to the bullish side, just given, that Bitcoin and Ethereum are trying to break out right now. Now this is not what you want to see for that continuation basing pattern. You get a nice that candle Monday or Tuesday. Seems to be on either one of those days we're getting that follow through. But then rejection so far. So kind of barely holding on here. Anything back below 11.2, this actually looks kind of nasty. Tron. Let's go to Tron. Oh, God, it's barely holding on. Tron's holding on. Barely. 10 cents. You already know. Same shit. 10-cent handle. Above that, continuation. Below that, probably gets to, 9, low 9s at minimum, I would say. Even would have the potential to hit the mid 8s on that guy. Dot, is it building a head and shoulders? 100% it's going down to $4. No, I'm just kidding. That's what a lot of people in crypto land do. They already project price with not even complete patterns. This still needs at least like another week or so if it is going to build out. But regardless, structure, this is still a higher low from over here. So above 666, it's okay. Really needs to get back above 760 though. ADA kind of looks pretty good here. You got that continuation kind of candle or the seller shut off, but no follow through on this one. So we're getting follow through on some of them, and on some we're not. So we're just kind of lollygagging, Really needs to hold 48 cents here and needs to get back over. Weirdly enough, it's a lot like Ripple's. About 58 cents is major resistance. Let's see here. Link, the Marines, same kind of candle. This one looks a lot better, though. Nice seller shut off right at the box, right where they should defend. A little bit lower than I'd like to see, but sometimes, that happens. Don't forget, we're all watching the same movie. So, yeah, it looks pretty good as long as we're still holding that low 13 handle. Would really like to see it get comfy back over 14.20. Of course, that's what it is. What else could it be? Let's see here. Oh, I still like Bitcoin Cash. Look at this lovely response on Bitcoin Cash. This is actually a very low risk entry right here with a stop out about 225 to 230, depending on your tolerances there. But this is actually a very sexy setup for bullish continuation right there. Definitely like that. Nothing wrong with BCH. One of the better actually looking charts right now. Funny enough. Lovely also response from BSV from the real Bitcoin. Looks very nice above $75. Love it. Sub 75. I mean, we could easily dump pretty hard though to like 50. So be aware of that. Let's see. XMR, man, we're flying today. XMR is finally coming to the party late. Monday, it just said suck it. Tuesday said suck it. Wednesday, hump day is like, oh, okay, maybe we can get it in a little bit. And this looks like a deep retrace. Yes, it is. So about 140 is the line in the sand off of this structure here from this low. Anything below that starts to get real nasty. Man, just surprising that the privacy coins are doing so shitty, man. Zcash, is this a buy down here? I really want to buy it. I did not yet. I was talking about it Monday. I was like, let's just wait a little bit. And still haven't done it yet, but I'm very tempted to at least buy, just nibble something, Maybe just like $500 or something. I don't know, just a little bit of lunch money. Because, dude, if Bitcoin is going to continue to break out and Ethereum's catching up to it, this isn't going to just keep selling off, or at least most likely, because anything can happen. But very aggressive selling, and I think this is just some liquidation too from it losing its position on lots of exchanges. Nobody likes the privacy coins, apparently. I like yesterday's candle engulfing. Today's is kind of funky. But you can see we're in this nice purple box of support here. And as long as we're kind of holding that mid-20s, it's okay. Did do a pretty deep retrace, though, here at 24 flat on a Tuesday, yesterday at some point. So really needs to hold like 26 kind of off of that structure now. Doji Poo is just selling off. Nasty. We've been watching that, the 88 level, the 88 cent level. And, if that broke, we were looking for about the mid-7s, which we are chilling here now, just lollygagging like a mofo. This has been coming up on 1.5, 2 years of price down here. So very boring. But remember, going sideways is the same as like selling off really hard because you just get bored with it. Obviously, this is the intermediate support at the middle 7 handle with major support at the 666s. Been that way for a long time. I mean, this has been pretty much 666s to 10 for many, many a moons. STX is actually giving it up. It's down 666s now, but still looks very good above 150. You cannot hate that chart above $1.50. True. Is TrueFi a buy here? Off this trend line, man, that's a tough one. Probably. I mean, we do have higher highs. We are trying to make a lower low though now, so kind of megaphoning out a little bit. But on this trend line, also right against all of this business here in consolidation. Can't hate on that too much as long as it's above about 4.5 pennies. So potential entry there. XRD is just dying on the vine. Nothing's happening. Something like this, though, is I have a small position in it. It's obviously underwater right now. I'm not going to add to it. Oh, excuse me. Oh, usually adding to losers is a bad idea. You should add to winners most of the time. So just kind of, you ever thinking about that when you're um, like, oh shit, I better double down. Oh man, that can go south real fast. But anyway, I'm just sitting on a small position on this. And with this, since it's pretty like small market cap and fairly illiquid, if Mama Bear does continue to stay above 44 K and especially above 48, I would look for this to snap hard to the upside. V Chain, oh, poor V Chain, barely holding on. Did get that nice little Monday rejection candle for the sellers at a critical zone, so that's pretty nice. Would like to see it get back into the 3 handle though. Adam, kind of the same chart as we've had like the same 2-3 charts in Cryptolandia for a while now. Same shit here. Looks decent above $9. Really needs to get back above like 10.50 though. Osmos. Is Osmos finally done? We are seeing some signs of weakness in the RSI here. Not on the DMI yet, but definitely on the RSI. And you can see this. Look at this. The forgotten zone is what I call this, below 10. The Bears have been in it for a long time, since November. They have not even existed, which is pretty clear here in this run from 40 cents to, just shy of $2. But looks very good, still above 150. Ton, still flat as shit. Wow, cool. It's the same price it was December of 2022. That's just great. This one's same shit, different day. 210, 250. Don't care. Moving on. Matic. Look at this. Higher high, higher low right here. Yeah, with the nice little candle. Man, I'm glad to see those candles because we were talking about that on Monday, and we really wanted to see those kind of print just to kind of stall the Bears at least a little bit. And looks like we got that so far. And now everything is riding on the SEC because that's the only thing that matters, apparently. But looks very good above about mid-70s. Would like to see it get back above 90 pennies, though. ES, wow, over 4,800 again. What's up? Also got that follow through and seller shut off on the majors too, not just crypto. So that's pretty awesome. Bullish as hell above 47.40. You already know what it is. Let's ratchet down a little bit. Kind of flagging out shorter term above 47.75. So very nice charts there. NQ, very nice. Getting the follow through. Let's see, though. Let's pull fib on this. Let's pull that fib, baby. Yeah, we're right at the 618, and so about 17K. So there's a little resistance here, and then 17,000 flat should provide quite a good resistance as well. Above 17K, though, man, well, it's party time. You already know what it is. The Dow. The Dow is kind of funny here. Literally sideways as hell for about a month. Hasn't done jack shit. Oscillators just neutral, just boring as hell, man. What the hell is this crap? I'll say hell one more time, apparently, for my boy Hellbound. Anyway, 37.3 and 38 flat is pretty much the range. Anything, really, it's a little higher. Sorry, it's more like 37.5 and then 38 flat. And then losing 37.5, we do have a little gap right here on major horizontal support of 36,000. That would actually be a healthy spot to go fill that test for the bulls in continuation. Rut Dog, the Russell's barely holding on here. Kind of looks like a lot of the crypto charts. Barely holding on at about 1969. Oh, yeah. Really needs to get back above the magenta candle at about 2040, though. So right now we're kind of just lollygagging at the moment. Let's look at the weekly real quick. Yeah, shit. Shooting star right at that major resistance. Follow through, but look where we are. Right on top of all this business right here. All that business. All right, let's get this fib off of here. Clean my chart up a little bit. It's not like I need more shit on my charts. The trannies are kind of just chilling. They are just retesting this local high. Look fine above 15.4-ish, though. Nothing to worry about there. Oh, look at this. This would be bullish as hell for general markets if the DAX can get over this 16.9. Of course it's 16.9. What else would it be? What the hell, man? Obviously, losing 16,650 would be kind of bad. We'd probably look for like maybe another 500 points or so. And then obviously, if it does it to the upside, that, my friends, is continued blue sky breakout mode with 17,700 handle as the next target. VIX. What's VIX doing? Getting pummeled. Still making a higher low so far, though, on the VIX index. Let's go to VVIX. Oh, shit, y'all. VVIX is does all the time, apparently. Yeah, great. That is so fucking frustrating. Ugh. Damn you, Spectrum Monopoly. What the fudge, man? Anyway, in the 70s, man, that could fire off a big rally. That's for sure. 1420, baby, on the VIX futures, that is. You already know this horizontal, same shit, different day. Needs to hold that. We lose 13.5. Man, super rally mode. Oil bulls are trying to fight for their life here in that $70 area, bouncing off of it like the Jesus man here the last few days, pretty much our last week or so. Really needs to just get back above $74 for the bulls. Other than that, just kind of a little bit funky here. Not really any great momentum either on the oscillators. Nat gas is a little surprising. Nice pump off of that Monday. Looking real good Monday. Got the follow through and immediately over the next couple of days went all the way to our target of that, or not target, but major resistance of that 325-ish zone. Got rejected, put in a shooting star, giant doji. So now let's see if bulls can just defend, that 280 area. That was kind of resistance before. If we got over that, like we mentioned Monday, above 280 would probably get us to that 325. And now let's see if bulls can just build structure above said 280. Previous resistance becomes the support, yeah? Bonds just barely holding on here too. Nothing really to add to that chart. Just kind of lollygagging. I like to just mostly watch TNX anyway. Keeps it nice and simple. Y'all already know what's up. Same shit as Friday. If we get over 420, watch out for selling pressure to come in very strongly in equities. But right now, we're just kind of like I'd consider this like a little bit of no man's land between 370 and 420. Probably can just ping pong there until we get closer to the March Fed meeting, which apparently is going to be lowering rates, allegedly. We'll see when we get there. All right, let's just skip to gold. Gold is just kind of lollygagging as well. Just blah. Actually kind of a boring day. Most everything is super sideways across the board. Let's see. Still fine above 2,000. There's nothing different about this analysis. So above 2K looks fine. Would like to see it make a higher high though here, like in the next month or so. That would be very constructive for the bulls, and that would have to be pretty much over 21 hundo flat. Silver barely also holding on. Does have the H pattern, but it's not getting no love, so that's not very sexy at all. Anything below kind of where this horizontal is, I mean, you already see it gets violent when it gets below there. You got this little candle right here, little 5%, little dollar shave club real quick. But is it still making kind of higher highs, higher lows? Sort of. Let's go to the weekly. It's a funky chart, no doubt. And it's been consolidating like a mofo for pretty much a year or so. And yeah, I mean, nothing's really different about this. Above that 22.5 mark, it's still okay. Really want to see the bulls at least try to get up closer to 24 off of this. So let's see. GDX, whatever. Don't care about any of that. Let's go to blockchain stuff. You can see some selling pressure. Coinbase, a lot of charts look like that. Let's go to our index. Oh, hold on. Oh, Hut's actually up today. Oh, well, flat on the week, though. Let's go to our index. Oh, shit. The sixes. Are we going to go over here and fill this gap? Man, that actually would look good if we just filled that real quick, right on this trend line, and then launched off of it. That would be very sexy setup. Don't forget, though, there's a big gap down here, too. Man, if that happened, shit, Bitcoin would probably go all the way back down to like, I don't know, like 20 something K, mid 20s probably. Anyway, we're getting way ahead of ourselves there. Let's not manifest that. Looks good about this level. The triple sixes is kind of a very big contention point, but a little bit lower and filling that gap right on this trend line over the next couple of days would actually not be the worst setup for continuation. Cores, watch out. They have their meeting tomorrow on the 11th, so it's kind of lollygagging. It's not going to probably do anything until tomorrow. Let's see here. Anything that stands out? No. All right, whatever. Easy peasy. Let's go to the sectors. Everything kind of down today. Surprising oil stocks are down with how come I don't have XOM on here? What's up with that? I got Exxon. Oh yeah, I'm confused. Disregard that. Yeah, pretty flat shit day, really, for the most part. Let's see. Wow, Nvidia though, it's about to already hit our 550 target from breaking over 500. Man, just immediate continuation. Not to anyone's surprise, it's been consolidating up here for, what is that, 8 months or something, 8-9 months. So, man, yeah, major resistance here. I'm gonna be real curious what it does here in another $10 or so. Is it just gonna blow past that shit and go to the next one at 680? That would be crazy. That would be crazy. Get ready for NASDAQ to 1 million if that happens, especially if Amazon breaks out here too again. Let's see. No, whatever. Nothing too exciting here. What? Facebook pumping. Almost all-time highs on Facebook. Just a short little, barely $20 away. Dude, crazy. The Bulls are like back in town, I guess. Bulls are back in town. All right, we're doing karaoke now, apparently. Let's see here. What else? I don't think there's really anything else to touch on. Man, I flew through that stream only 30 minutes, roughly. That's pretty good. Let's see here. Let's go look at some storage cryptos. I was looking at those yesterday because I wanted to buy some Filecoin. I do like where this is sitting. I like that. SC Coin, kind of missed that one already. I totally missed this one all the way, which sucks because we talked about it a lot early in the fall, but oh well, whatever. Hopefully some of y'all got on that. Made surprisingly hasn't done shit. It's up 100. Oh, what the fuck? It's up 120% today. Okay. Is MadeSafe dying? What is this? This looks like no volume on it. Oh yeah, look at this. See, 174K. Doesn't even have an average 30-day. Oh, this is on Bittrex. That's why. Hey, well, that doesn't count. That's not even relevant anymore. Hold up. I was like, yeah, what the hell is going on? Let's go to Coin Metrics. What the hell? MadeSafe Coin is on like only the swaps? Huh. That's actually really surprising. What the frick, dude? What happened to MadeSafe Coin? Huh. Well, it's pumping a lot in the last few days. Wow, this is it's been around a long time, but this was a big player back in the day, man. And now it's like literally on nothing. Huh. Well, poor MadeSafe. Anyway, let's go to storage. This one also looks kind of sexy for a buy as it goes and resets the 21 weekly, 55 weekly EMA, and also the top of all this structure. So some potential longs right there. Not too shabby, especially if Bitcoin passes 48K. I'm not going to get too aggressive until I see that. Oh, man. If you want tickers to be looked at, put them in the troll box now. Right, meow. All right. Anything else? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Let's go see what Moonies are doing. Mega rally off that 100. Everything's fine. See, they're going to cut rates. Yay. Well, wait, are they? That's kind of where we're at right now. Nothing really to see there. Let's go look at some AI stocks. I haven't looked at those in a while. We'll look at weeklies. AI. Oh, this one might be a good buy, especially if NASDAQ's about to continue breaking out. Let's see here. Googs. The Googs is trying to break out. Wow, man. Holy crap. DocuSign. That actually has kind of a nice chart there. Not too bad. MU freaking looks beautiful if it can get and clear above mid-80s, man. Planeteer. I wanted to buy some of that recently. Haven't pulled the trigger yet. Kind of just waiting. Let's see. Oracle. Bots. Oh, this actually looks nice, especially above 28.30. This actually looks pretty good. Global X. Oh, it's an ETF. AI robotics ETF. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, man. Yeah. Confluence too on the weekly. Yeah, shit, dude. Staying above 27.5, $28. Actually not too bad, man. An MDT. Oh man, this one, Medtronic, beautiful move. Started running already. Look at that. Oh, we got Hellbound has PCRFI. Oh yeah, you trading them penny stocks, huh? See what you got here. Panasonic, like the consumer company. Oh yeah, wow. Damn. Why are they 5 tickers? Usually 5 letter tickers or penny stocks. Weird. Oh well. Entry, he says he's buying it pretty much right here. Panasonic, man. I'm kind of surprised. And they're increasing their money. Look at that. They lost a little bit from Q2. Where's Q? How come I only have Q2 23 and Q1 23? Where the hell is Q3 and 4? Come on, that's like 6 months ago, dude. Hey, they're actually making money though. That's freaking surprising. Let's see here. All right, let's look at the chart. Weekly. A lot of resistance at $10. Holy crap. All right, let's go to monthly. Holy shit. 1969. Is that when this came out? No, 72. Let's use the cheat code real quick. Let's see if that helps us out a little bit. Man, Chop Fest 3000, brother. Trades in the Japanese stock market. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, that makes sense. I should have guessed that. All right, so obviously we can even pull this bitch out to like a quarterly chart. Let's do it. Let's do it. Man, chopper style, dude. What the hell? So for freaking 88, oh, that's brutal, man. For almost 40 years, this thing has gone sideways with a 0.8% dividend. Ouch. Well, it's not for long-term holding, that's for sure, or investing. But I do like this little base right here, and I do like this. All right, let's turn this off. This thing crowds up my chart too damn much. I do like this here, this reaction, nice snap continuation. I do like here too, this test in there, and also had a similar reaction. So for me, this actually is a pretty good chart, dude. Not too bad. Above about 930, 9.5, maybe 9 flat if you wanted to be a little more risky. But yeah, this actually is a pretty damn good looking chart, dude. You get over $10 and you're looking for what, 12 flat? Let's see, where's 12? 12 is 12 probably is decent. I just see this magenta candle in here, and 12 is just at the top of all this range. Obviously doesn't mean that it can't get hit, but it probably will have some pretty good resistance coming up to like 11, 11 and a half. So maybe depending on how the chart builds up, if it gets up there while you're in the trade. But no, I actually do like this. This is a pretty solid setup, man. Love this reaction off of this structure and how it's just kind of lollygagging. I will say, though, if it gets comfy at all below 950, 930, I mean, 850 and lower could easily be the target. And don't forget, earnings are coming up. Not till February, first week of February. So, depending on how long you're trying to hold it, you know what I'm saying? Largest battery manufacturer in the world. Yeah, that apparently barely does anything for its shareholders, though. What the hell, man? So surprising. You'd think that with all the smartphones and batteries and freaking everything, this would be doing a lot more better, but it ain't. You got a tight stop loss. That boy got that tight stop. Yeah, I mean, even for me, if I was trading this, probably a 3. Let's go to the 3 hour. Hold up. Yeah, even a 3 hour open and close below 940, 950, I would probably bail on it if I saw that happen. Hey, but that's pretty damn good though, because I mean, shit, what is that? 5%, about almost 4%. And you're looking for 12. So shit, boy, yeah, man, that's pretty good. If you use 4, let's just use 5 for easy math. That's 4-1, dude. Not too bad. I like that. You don't have to be right that many times taking those kind of trades. Oh, let's go look at cybersecurity. I think that might be something to look at. We could see some kind of. I've always thought they're going to be some kind of a cyber attack is going to be like the next 9/11 type thing where they'd pass some new laws to keep us safe or whatever. Wow, yeah, look at this. Hack has been exploding in the last month, 2 months now. Interesting. Very bullish weekly. Very bullish daily. Does have some resistance though here at about $62. Let's go to the weekly again. Hold up. Whoops. Yeah, about $62. It does have some pretty strong resistance, but man, looking pretty good for cybersecurity. What is even in this ETF? Let's go look real quick. ETF.com's badass if y'all don't know about them to like check out ETF stuff. Let's see here. You shorted Coke this morning? Uh-oh, we got to go look at that. I just want to know what the hell is in this freaking stonk. Where the freaking... Oh, it's not going to tell me? You ain't going to tell me, though? Yeah, what's this? They block it out. What, I got to pay for them now? Is that what this is? Is that what this is? Hold up. They just kind of changed their site a little bit. All right, here we go. Fortinet, Zscaler, CrowdStrike. Yeah, I'm familiar with all those except for Fortinet. I didn't know what that was. Looks like they're actually pretty diverse here. Yeah, what is Fortinet? Let's go look at that. Because one of these is probably popping hard. One of these pops harder than the other. Oh, I actually have it right here. Derp. Oh, okay, yeah. Just kind of sideways, whatever. For the last few weeks. Man, it's trying to get bullish again, though. It actually looks pretty good above $57. Interesting. All right, let's go to Coca-Cola, man. Oh, shit, you shorted this? Woo, doggy. Hold up. Let's go back. Man, that boy got some balls. Holy shit, Coke. This is ridiculous, dude. Turning all our good water into garbage soda. Sorry, all you Coke lovers. Not sorry, though. Man, holy shit, dude. As they make the whole planet obese. This is crazy. Let's see if we have any exhaustion signs. Not really. Fuck, it's $1,000 almost. What the hell, dude? Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, a little bit on this candle, a little bit on the weekly. If it started getting comfy back over 930, let's see if we got confluence with the daily on that. Yeah, over like 930 ish is a little concerning. I don't know where your stop is on that. That's where I would start to be kind of like, oh shit, I might be wrong on this one. But shorted Coke sounds hilarious. Yeah, it does sound. I was actually giggling in my head about that a second ago before I saw your chat there. Wow. Holy crap, Coke. Well, 80%. Yeah, what the shit, dude? Okay, that makes sense. Coca-Cola power. Yeah, I don't really see anything too crazy weak in this though. Really want to see it drop below 890-ish. 890, 900. Then maybe we can get like a nice little sell off to like low 800s, but holy snap, dude. This is crazy. I mean, there's like I'm not even getting no divergences, nothing. How about a 3 hour? Let's go back to that. 3 hour did start to get some a little bit into this part of the structure here. So, yeah, below 900, we can probably get a little bit. I don't know what your target is on this, but yeah. So below 900 probably starts getting exciting, and back above like 930, 940, I'd start to be pretty concerned that it's just going to keep running to the moon and beyond. All righty. Let's go look at the Dogelings just for fun. They're probably all shit, if y'all remember all these. What's the latest one? Oh shit, it's not even on here. The good one, I guess, for this cycle. Y'all probably know about this. Wow, Bonk is on Coinbase. Get the shit out of here. No way. I have to go look at that now. When did they list it? Yeah, just recently. Of course, after the hype. Look at this. Descent right before Christmas. I bet you that's almost the top. Let's see. I bet you it is. Yep, look at that. Right at the top, dude. Right at the freaking top, bro. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Target 903. Yeah, that's pretty good. I can't hate that trade. Oh, Coinbase is such bullshit, dude. I freaking hate Coinbase. Man, if y'all been watching the show a long time, back in the day when Coinbase first went public, I was like, oh, the market can't sell off until Coinbase goes public. And that was like literally the top of the market because Coinbase is pretty lame. It's lame as F. It's laugh. Yeah. Here's another proof of that. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Look, we added Bonk too. Oh, shit. Whoops. Let's trap everybody. Assholes. Bonk, though, what a freaking move, man. I missed that one. I'm pretty ashamed of myself for missing that. I hope that y'all didn't miss that. But damn. Anyway, let's go through some more of these. Some more? What am I, French or something now? Or Italian? What is that? Higher highs, higher lows. This actually might be a good entry on Baby Doge, dude. Look at this. Stop out at, dude, this is even dollars. It's like Satoshi dollars. 0.18,000 zeros. I'm just going to say the last four. So above like 1140. Hello, maybe. Let's go to the leash. Oh, the leash is dying. A lot of these meme total crap shit garbage coins don't rally until like the latter parts of the bull market, usually like maybe the last quarter to a third of it roughly. Like that's kind of what I've noticed, at least over the last few cycles. Oh, what is this? Doge 2.0? What, dude? Doge garbage 0.0. Skipping that. Elon. Oh, look at this. Nice. Actually looks okay above 1500s. Let's go to Akita. Ooh, look at Akita Inu. Higher highs, higher lows. Oh, snap. Above about, why are they all about 14 something? That's weird. Again, super high risk. Most of these are going to freaking lose everything. But they can pump super hard. Like Bonk did. Alrighty, I think that is alles for me today. Just kind of checking some other stuff out. Let's see, nothing there. Let's go look at automotive stocks because that's I think these are going to be good players in the long run here. Oh man, like especially this one, dude. Advanced Auto Parts ain't going nowhere. And look at this gap, boy. 80 to 110. Are you kidding me, dude? You could probably just do butterfly trades in the middle of this for a while until you hit it because butterflies are really cheap to put on, especially if you make the wings kind of tight. So, and that maybe sounds like total Spanish to some of y'all if y'all aren't. FSR, oh yeah, First Solar if you don't trade options, but yeah, look up a butterfly, it'll make more sense. But anyway, yeah, I think this is going to be a good trade. I am long this. Full disclosure, okay? Let's see. Look at this. Anyone know that AutoZone is a $2,500 stock? Did anyone know that? Yeah. Look at this. Dude, fuck all those other things. Long water stocks, long automotive stocks. I have an index somewhere I made where it was like water, auto, a little bit of bonds and something else, and it like just absolutely destroys. I mean, you don't get charts that look like this very often. Now, is it going sideways and looks a little toppy? Yeah, it definitely does. It is kind of reminiscing of over here before the 2017 mayhem, but yeah, not buying it up here, but just kind of food for thought. Oh, Highland, these guys are out of Austin. They do electronic drivetrains. Looks like they're actually trying to get some little pampage going. Maybe above 70 cents. It looks okay. All right, First Solar. Wait, no. Oh, my God. No, come on. We can do this. Oh, it's Fisker. Sorry, my bad. Fisker Automotive. Damn! Holy shnikes. Yeah, my bad. First Solar's got an L in there. What the frick, dude? What the hell? Well, yeah, they're hemorrhaging money. They better raise some money soon. What do they even do, man? Sales and development of eco-friendly bullcrap. Founded by Henrik Fiska and Geeta Gupta. Absolutely terrible. Now, does it have a little bit of bullish divergence off of the RSI? Yeah, it does. It does. But this is black hole mode, man. This is the abyss mode. It looks like it came out of a SPAC too, which makes it extra shady. Whenever you see this right here, this kind of chart pattern right at 10, especially from 2018 to 2021-ish, if you see this pattern and then an explosion, it went public through a SPAC, a special acquisition. What is it? Special purpose acquisition something. But yeah, they do that so they could get around some laws, so they could get shit public. It was actually very shady and pretty crazy. Anyway, but this did come out of that, so I'm not too surprised that it looks like this. A lot of stocks that came out of SPACs actually look just like this. There's a way for them to get on the market, but this looks terrible. The only way I'd consider this maybe if it started snapping back and got back over like 130. It's a cool electric car. Yeah, electric cars, man. They ain't getting no love over here. It's tough in America, man. We're spread the hell out. We're not like most of the other like European countries, which are like the size of Texas, pretty much for the most part. It's like, we got what is it, 2,000 something miles across and close to the same, like 1,500 up. I don't know. I'm just kind of thinking that's about what it is, but holy crap, man. Maybe it's 3,000 across. I don't know. But it's big and the infrastructure ain't here. I mean, it's a lot different when your country is 350 million people or something versus like 20 million or Germany, I think, is the biggest one. And it's around like 80 million or so. So, I mean, it's like a lot different when you're talking about infrastructure and shit. It's like the entire country of Germany. We have like, 5 cities that are pretty much that big. So, yeah, it's tough, man. Hellbound. It's tough for the electric cars. Like, I don't hate on them, but I just don't think they're as badass as everybody thinks they are. Now, torque, are they fast as shit off the line and all that, quarter miles? Yeah, most definitely. They have their place, but is it a replacement? Nah, definitely not. Y'all remember when member berries? Do y'all remember when California Newsom, when the heat waves and all that, and their grid was getting challenged like hardcore? They're like, "Oh, nobody plug in your electric vehicles, please. You're straining the grid." There you go. That kind of puts it in a nutshell. One day it'll be better. Um, I also wish that in America, I don't know why they don't do this here, but in Europe in general, dude, they have lots of small diesel cars that get like 50, 60 miles a gallon. Like we don't have what, like maybe the Jetta we have. It's like one of the only ones. But it's like a whole thing over there. It's like high mileage kind of base model cars that get stupid good gas mileage. Like here, you have to get a Prius to do that, to get 50 and up. There are some cars that get 30, 40s, like Corollas and stuff like that. But, whatever. I'm digressing some more. Rivian, he owns the stock. Oh, you don't own a truck? $8 billion truck or whatever. That if you dent the quarter panel, it totals the entire truck out. Because the quarter panel, it's literally the side panel on those trucks. There's a body shop next to where the shop that I work at is, and they just talk a lot of shit about all that crap, how they design them. He's like, yeah, dude, you get a freaking bump in the back and it messes up the quarter panel. He's like, dude, that the whole side of the car is a quarter panel. They have to like cut the whole thing out and redo it. It's crazy, man. Super crazy. Some people actually equate that that's why a lot of the insurances has been going up, because they're trying to cover losses from fixing and paying out on electric vehicles. I know it's not just that, but definitely interesting kind of analysis on some of that from some of the car guys that I like to listen to. Anyway, Rivian, this actually looks pretty good, above $18. Let's go to the weekly. Needs a higher high though. It needs a higher high. Yeah, Americans definitely. That is true. But it's because they don't know. If they made them a little bit nicer and put automatics in them, that's why a lot of them don't, because most of those are diesels. Only like 5-6% of Americans can even drive a standard. So if they catered to Americans a little bit more by making them automatic and have just basic features like a touchscreen for the radio and shit, I think that they would sell. But Americans are just kind of stupid in general when it comes to automotive stuff. They're like, give me an SUV. It's all I need. 12 miles a gallon. Super unsafe. Yeah. Hell yeah. Anyway, let's see. Rivian. Back to Rivian. But sorry, above the 17 handle looks pretty good. Don't really like this magenta candle on the gap. That's not the prettiest setup, but it is getting caught by the 200 and some of this structure. It really needs to make a higher high though, above $25. So hopefully you're in it down here at least. Then you actually do have a pretty decent position on that. Because maybe Rivian. I actually do see a lot of. I'm in Austin area, so I actually do see a lot of these Rivians around. That's for sure. More so than any other full EV. Like obviously, there's a Tesla every freaking third car here now, since all the tech bros moved here after COVID, and all the California bros moved here after Joe Rogan and Elon. But yeah, I actually see more of these than I do any other EVs. That's for sure. Yeah, above 17 handle looks pretty good. Really want to see it above 25. So, maybe that's a good trade though, from like 19 to low 20s coming in. $7,000 BMW headlights don't help with insurance. No, they do not. No, you ain't lying about that, dude. And also, like, even trucks, like these new trucks, they were fixing one next door to us, and they have all these sensors in them, right? Backup sensor, blah, blah, blah sensor, fucking whatever. And one of the lights got busted in a rear end collision on the truck, and they said just the tail light it was like a Ford new F-250 in the last few years. Just for the tail white the tail white. It was $2,000. So, and that's not even freaking European shit, which you expect that to happen. You go to an Audi and get your oil change and brakes done, and it's like $3,000. You're like, what the fuck, dude? Nah, you're right though, man. That don't help either. But I don't think any of us have any sympathy for insurance companies, so we just have sympathy for our rates going up when you probably haven't had a wreck in 10 years, and they're like, well, your insurance premium's got to go up another 30%, because whatever. We got to make money somewhere, I guess, off of our good clients. All right. Anything else that's cool in here that maybe we should look at? I don't think so. Oh, parts. I do like this one. I did buy some of this. I go through car parts a lot. It's a good website for automotive. I did buy some of this, I don't know, last week or something recently. So hopefully that goes to the moon. Moonshot. I do like that it's real deep into the middle of all this business, and it's done pretty much a full round trip from COVID. I guess everybody was going to fix their car, and then they weren't. I don't know what the hell. Kind of weird chart there from COVID correlation. Yeah, but I do like this one. So I got some parts. What else do I got? Parts and AAP is what I'm holding now. I do want to buy some Highland and some Holly too. We talked about Holly way earlier in the year, and now this gap's filled, so that's kind of cool. So I might add some Holly as well, because don't sleep on carbureted stuff, man. I know people think that's old tech, but every mower that has an engine in it, obviously. Every mower, and that's worth the shit. Electric mowers and weed eaters are garbage. Every mower, weed eater, so many things. Those are still carbureted engines. So many carbureted engines. Scooters, all kinds of stuff. Oh, let's see. AIG. Holy crap, man. I haven't heard that in a while. Scam IG. Is this all-time highs? No, it can't be. No, I was going to say, yeah, it can't be over. I was going to say 08, but apparently it can't be over. It is 07, 08. Brutal stonk. You said you own this right now? You bought some? Man, whoo, hellbound, you crazy buying some AIG? Look at you, man. It actually is a very methodical chart, though. Look at this. Up and to the right, pretty much 45-degree angle perfectly. That's kind of creepy. That's like so methodical, dude. What the hell? Interesting. It actually looks good. Yeah, above about $65. What do you got there? Stay above 67.47. Oh, well, you're done. 67.41. Get out of there. No, I don't know when you bought it, but let's see here. For me, I would take it to maybe like 66 flat, like $66 flat. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, I mean, even then, it really is mid 60s, so like 65-ish, 64, 65 handle, which coincides well actually with the daily too. So yeah, above 65, it's all right. Not too shabby. Dorman also I've been thinking about buying too. They make all kinds of parts for all kinds of cars. But I'm already exposed a little bit, so I don't like to get too heavy. All righty, man. I think that's it. Oh, snap. Yeah, it is. It's already 11. All right. Wrap this bitch up. Maybe we get the actual announcement from the SEC. I don't know. Who cares? As long as we're above 44,000, looks fine to me. Short term. Longer term macros 38K. You already know what it is. And if we clear 48,000, oh man, it's go party time. Probably next stop is mid 50s. Ethereum, kind of with a surprise move today. It is nice and appreciated that Unicorn Shirt Man is catching up to Mama Bear. So I do like that. Oh shit, we better do auto scale here. So I do like that. Slope looks good. Everything looks good. I guess everyone's just kind of. It was done yesterday, and I got all excited. I'm like, yay! I don't have to hear about that anymore. And it was like a kick in the freaking mouth, and my balls at the same time. It was like foot in, balls in mouth. See you later, Hellbound. Good to see you, man. Don't be a stranger, brother. Have a awesome hump day, dude. So yeah, looking pretty decent. So that's supposed to happen today at some point. I don't know. Y'all already know. Y'all are probably looking at it way more than I am. So I just like to watch that price action. Send this bitch over 48K. Let's go. Having coming up soon. Also, don't forget mid-April. I'm sure you can't forget that though. Anyway, much love, guys. Happy hump day. I'm signing off. This is No Noiz. I am Z Rex. Peace.